Cardinal vowels explained in simple English. In phonetics, vowels are very important sounds in any language, but to study vowels clearly, we need a standard system to compare them. That system is called cardinal vowels. Cardinal vowels are reference vowel sounds. They are not from any specific language. Instead, they are used to describe and compare vowel sounds from any language in the world. The idea of cardinal vowels was introduced by Daniel Jones, a famous British phonetician. How many cardinal vowels are there? There are 8 primary cardinal vowels. They are numbered from 1 to 8. How are these vowels organised? They are organised based on 2 features. 1, tongue height. Is the tongue high, mid or low in the mouth? 2, tongue position. Is the tongue at the front, centre or back? This creates a kind of map called the vowel quadrilateral. Let's learn the 8 cardinal vowels. A, cardinal 1 like the vowel in beat, A. Cardinal 2, E. Cardinal 3, A. Cardinal 4 like in father. These are front vowels. Next are the back vowels. A. Cardinal 5, O. Cardinal 6 like in court, O. Cardinal 7, U. Cardinal 8 like in goose. These vowels are placed on a special chart called the vowel quadrilateral, which shows how the tongue moves when we speak each vowel. Why are cardinal vowels important? Because they help us describe the vowel sounds of any language. If you know the cardinal vowels, you can understand the position of any vowel more easily. In short, cardinal vowels are a basic tool for understanding and comparing vowel sounds. They make the study of pronunciation and phonetics more accurate and scientific.